Hello, it's just Crafty Chantel and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a demo with the Gemini double-sided paper craft dies for boxes. I have the hexagon box and the square box. I believe it's the square box that requires you to cut it on the Gemini big machine, not the Pro, but the regular Gemini. And so I had to get the cutting plates for double-sided dies for the regular Gemini, and then I have my Gemini plates here. So what I want to do is two boxes, one from the square and one from the hexagon. I think I ordered the square and the plates, and then I received the hexagon box dies in one of the mystery bundles. Then for paper, I'm going to use these two paper pads that are kind of complimentary. This one is called Decadent Decor, and the other one is called Navy and Blush. Now these are just going to be pretty boxes because this paper is 200 GSM and 250 GSM, so it's not that sturdy. The papers that I picked out, so I'd like to do this kind of gold sheen with the octagon and the gold base, and then I want to mix in some elements. So I have this Anna Griffin octagon type shape, and for the second box I like to use this like bluish color with the gold accents, and I have some Anna Griffin dies over here, so I could do some matting and layering on the box lid. I have a couple sentiments from the Anna Griffin Finishing School set. I think I'm going to use these over here, but we'll figure it out. And then when I bought the paper, it also came with these complimentary, as in they match, not as in they were free, caramel and cream ribbons. So we'll try to incorporate these into our card as well. So I think the first thing I need to do is start cutting out my boxes. So let's go ahead and get started with the square one. I think that's going to be the easier. And the thing about these double-sided box dies is you should be able to create the box and the lid in one pass. So if I use that for the box and lid, and then come in with these to start layering up my colors. So let's go ahead and get started with that. One thing that's a little troublesome is that I don't know which side is the base and which side is the lid. Okay, and there we have it, our first box made with the Crafter's Companion Gemini double-sided die square box. So it's kind of a short box, not a very deep box at all, but we mixed in some other elements. We used the Anna Griffin, I think this is from the Card Compendium, nesting dies in order to kind of get our top, and then this decoration in the center is from the Finishing School. So that's the first one using the square box. Let's move on and try one with the hexagon box. And again, we're going to use some Anna Griffin pieces. I really like these over here. Okay, and then there is our second box, and I have to say, I am usually very intimidated by these box dies, but once I start working with them, you know, they're not too bad. So what we did today was we used the hexagon box die, and then we also used the square box die. These are the Crafter's Companion Gemini double-sided box dies, and then for the square box die, we actually had to use these large Gemini double-sided die cutting plates, which was a slightly extra purchase. And then we embellished our cards using some Anna Griffin pieces. Yes, I mixed up the brands if anybody follows these brands as closely. So this is an Anna Griffin circle shaped die cutting set, and then this is from the Anna Griffin Card Compendium, and the toppers are actually from one of the Anna Griffin Finishing School sets. So yep, you can mix your pieces from two collections. These paper pads, this is the Crafter's Companion Decadent Decor. So they actually kind of blend well with the Anna Griffin Finishing School set. So like I said, sometimes these box dies can be intimidating, but once you get started with them, they're really not that bad to work with at all. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and hit the notifications button, and you can be notified when I make and upload new videos. Thank you for watching. Again, it's just Crafty Chantel.